Moko kuom jodak e kaunti ma Nyamira oseoduol mochune gero apeini e kor gwenge Kera kuom jwang'o kaunti no e gedo mar apeini manche nolandi ka giloso e nyasi mopogore opogore. Gikoni gidwa ng'eyo gimomiyo kaunti ma Nyamira oke orak manche ne Kera olando mar gero apeini e kauntis mopogore e pacho ka.
Nyamira residents, they also pay tax. And we want to give them an ultimatum of 1 week to do the advertisement they made on the roads. I was so disappointed that the Minister for Education will stand and mislead the people that we were denied the roads because that our leaders were unable to present or to make requests. This part of our tax, and we don't need to beg to be given what belongs to us.
Mimi ningeambia wale viongozi wetu wako huko mbele, si lazima ukae na president ndio Kera ifanye kazi hapa mashinani. You were elected by the people who are represent ndio waweze kupata ile haki yao katika their level hapa mtaani.
Why are we not given the roads? We're giving you ultimatum of 7 days, after which we're going to file a petition to question why are we not being given the resources that we need, and also know if our taxes are taken for granted.
We saw our delegations going to the status from Nyamira County. Hakuna hata project moja waliomba kutoka Nyamira County that was to be tendered, and if it was about the resources, inawezekana aje unapata one single county iko na over 10 projects running, upata Nyamira County haina hata project moja, yet we pay taxes